Polydactyly. A condition where someone is born with extra fingers or toes. The child has polydactyly, so he has 6 fingers. Polydactyly is rare, but it is not dangerous. Mumps. A contagious illness that causes swelling in the cheeks and jaw. He got mumps and his face became swollen. Children usually get vaccinated to avoid mumps. Cowlick. A small part of hair that sticks up and won't lie flat. He has a cowlick on the front of his head. No matter how much gel she uses, her cowlick stays up. Microtia. A birth condition where the ear is very small or not fully developed. She was born with microtia in one ear. Microtia does not affect intelligence. Callus. Hard skin formed by repeated rubbing or pressure. He has a callus on his foot from tight shoes. Gym workers often have calluses on their hands. Freckle. Small brown spots on the skin, usually on the face. She has freckles on her nose. Freckles become darker in sunlight. Bruise. A dark mark on the skin after getting hit. He got a bruise after falling down. The bruise disappeared after a few days. Scar. A mark left on skin after a wound heals. She has a scar on her arm. The scar reminds him of the accident. Limp. To walk with difficulty because of pain in the leg. He walked with a limp after the injury. The dog had a limp. Wrinkle. A small line on the skin, usually from age. Wrinkles appear as people get older. She noticed wrinkles on her forehead. Stutter. Trouble speaking smoothly, repeating sounds. He stutters when he is nervous. A stutter does not mean someone is less intelligent. Fever. A high body temperature when you are sick. The child has a fever. Fever is common during infections. Allergy. When the body reacts badly to something. She has an allergy to peanuts. Dust causes his allergy. Cramp. A sudden painful muscle tightness. He got a leg cramp at night. Exercise can sometimes cause cramps. Fatigue. Extreme tiredness. She feels fatigue after work. Lack of sleep causes fatigue. Dizziness. Feeling like the world is spinning. He felt dizziness after standing up quickly. Dizziness can happen when you are hungry. Bald. Having little or no hair on the head. My uncle is bald. He started going bald at a young age. Dimple. A small dent in the cheek, seen when someone smiles. His dimples appear when he smiles. Many people find dimples cute. Sneeze. Air suddenly coming out of the nose loudly. I sneezed because of dust. She sneezes a lot during allergy season. Cough. A sudden sound made when the throat is irritated. He has a bad cough. Smoking can cause coughing. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.